Dear students, today we will discuss the RH nomenclature in alkanes, biphenyls, and the spirals. For discussion purpose, we have taken some example from alkanes, biphenyls, and the spirals. Okay, this type of compound C double bond C and C again double bonded with C. That compound is the alkanes. Okay, in center carbon is the sp hybridized and terminal carbon is a sp2 hybridized carbons. Okay, then the spirals. Okay, spirals, there is the two rings is fused and no double bond is found in these spirals. And last one is your biphenyls. Okay, two phenyl rings is fused. One is the vertical one and other is the horizontal one. Okay, already we have discussed these types of compounds, and in these types of the compound there is a acyl chirality is present. In these compounds no other stereocenter is there or chiral carbon is there or asymmetric carbon is there. Okay, this compound due to its chiral axis, in these compounds chiral axis is present, therefore these are the considered as optically active compounds. Let us start with the first example and try to solve or give its nomenclature. Okay, okay, this type of the compound. Okay, you can see these compounds from left hand side also. Okay, you can stand up here and can look the molecule from this side also, and you can also from right hand side you can also look this molecule. When you look this molecule from this side, if suppose firstly we look that molecule from this side, then you can simply say that hydrogen is at the top position and CH3 is present at the bottom position. Correct? Okay, like that your arrangements of these hydrogen and CH3 is like that. Correct? And therefore you are observing from this side, therefore your hydrogen is at the top position and the CH3 is at the bottom position. And when you look these two, these hydrogen and the CH3, it looks like that. Okay, it looks like that. That is your hydrogen is the from that side. Okay, that from that side this is rare hydrogen or backside hydrogen, where your that hydrogen is the, if you look that side is right hand side and CH3 is the left hand side. Okay, this is your right hand side. This is the left hand side. Okay, when you look from this side, then firstly you have to take this thing. Okay, you are observing from this side and you have to draw a vertical line. At this vertical line hydrogen is at top position. Okay, that is the top and bottom is the CH3 one, and behind to it there is a right hand side there is a hydrogen and left hand side there is a CH3. Okay, when you look from this side. Okay, for giving the priority, okay, priority is given according to the CIF rule, that is the Kahn Ingold Prelog rules. According to these rules we can use the priority. Okay, top priority, which group should have the top priority or lowest priority. Okay, according to the atomic number, the attached to direct this carbon, we can predict its priority. Now you have to give the first and second priority to those group from where you are looking. Okay, you are looking this molecule from this side and therefore you have to give the priority to this group first, not these two groups. Okay, therefore you have to give the priority this as the first and this as the second one. And then you have to think about the rare carbon groups. Okay, rare carbon groups C, which is attached to hydrogen and the CH. Okay, give them priority to these two groups. Firstly you have to give the priority from where you have looking the molecule, and then you have to give the priority to the rare carbon attached groups. Okay, therefore see right hand side CH3 is, left hand side give the third priority to this and the fourth priority to this. Okay, then simply by rotating from 1, 2 and 3 you can predict that this should be the, okay, 1 from 2 to 3 and 4, therefore that is the S configuration. Okay, that molecule should have the S configuration. Okay, let us other way. Okay, if you're looking from the right hand side or if you're looking from the left hand side, okay, both nomenclature RS nomenclature should be same one. Okay, if it is a different one, then therefore some error is there. You have to not properly used these rules. Okay, therefore when I look from this side, you looks the molecule, you found that, okay, again you have to put these two, top and the bottom. Okay, remember that top and bottom. Okay, these two should always, you remember, one should be top and other should be the bottom. Okay, always remember. Therefore you looks from this side, okay, at the horizontal line, when you looks from this side, okay, like that, hydrogen is the right. Okay, you are looking from this side, hydrogen is your left hand side and this is the right hand side. Okay, if you're looking from that side, you found that this hydrogen is the left one and this CH3 is the right hand side, correct, when you look from this left hand side or from looking that side. Okay, the perspective changes from where you are looking the molecule. Okay, therefore you looking from that side, therefore you at the left hand side there is the hydrogen one and the right hand side there is the CH3 group is there. Okay, then we previously assumed that is the top one and that is bottom one, therefore you have to write hydrogen is the top one and the CH3 is at the bottom one. Okay, therefore in this case you have looked this molecule from the left hand side, therefore you have to give the priority to this group first. Okay, therefore you give the priority. Okay, therefore the horizontal lines you have to give the priority first and the second, then third and the fourth, then you have to rotate the your 1, 2, 3 like, okay, 1, 2 and 3. You can found that one and the same configuration. Okay, both have the, from any where you lose the molecule, your configuration should not be changed. Okay, that is, you have to remember these things. Okay, that is the first example we have taken for the study. Okay, some other example we will take and discuss on this. Okay, second example second example is like that. Okay, like the transfer. Okay, that first was the CH1, CH3 is the same side, that same side CH3, but that is a trans type of compound. Okay, let us try we have discuss that is, you have to put that is that if you look firstly, you are looking from that side, therefore that group should be at the top and that group considered as the at the bottom position. Okay, when you look this molecule from this side, you can easily CH3 is the top one, hydrogen is the bottom. Okay, you looking molecule that side, therefore this will be right hands, this will be right and this will be left. Okay, when you looks like that. Okay, when you like that way, is looking from that side, that's to the right hand side, that person, that hydrogen is at right hand side. If you are looking, hydrogen is the right hand side and left hand side here is a CH3. Okay, like that. Therefore right hand side there is the hydrogen one and the left hand side there is a CH3 one when you look from this side. Okay, you are looking from this side, therefore you have to give the priority to these two groups first, therefore first and the second, then third and the fourth, then rotate 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, for this the R configuration is there. Okay, let us see this molecule from this side. You observe that. You observe first, you have to give the priority to these two groups. When you look this group from this side, hydrogen should be the left hand side to this person, and if you this group should be the right hand side when you look from this. Okay, no change is there. Top and the bottom should be remains same. Okay, therefore when you look, this hydrogen is at left hand side, CH3 is at the right hand side, the top CH3 is there and bottom hydrogen is there. You have to give the priority the horizontal group first, because you are looking molecule from that particular left hand side. Okay, therefore you have to give the first priority, then second priority, third priority and the fourth priority. Therefore first, second and the third, again you have obtained the R configuration which is matches. From where you are looking, it is not important. You have to remember these things. You have to the lines which is at the planes, okay, if not shown by the dotted or the wedge solid lines, you have to shown it is like the you have to show one is the top and the other is the bottom, and easily you can predict the configurations in alliance also. Okay, this like that way you can also solve this one. Okay, same rule you have to use. Okay, that is top one, that is bottom one. Okay, if you're looking from that side, you can easily find out its configuration. Okay, let us try to find out the your configuration in your this type of, that is pyrene, that is called as the pyrene. So if we take an example, pyrene. First example, okay, this is the example of the spirals. Okay, same rule we'll use in this case also. That is the top, that hydrogen is top, that is the bottom, and you are looking from this side. When you look from this side, you can found that the hydrogen is top, COH is at the bottom, and this is your right hand side and this is left hand side. When you look from this side, okay, right hand side there is a hydrogen, left hand side there is a acidic group is there. Okay, therefore you have to give the priority first one and then second, then third and the fourth. Therefore 1, 2 and the 3. Okay, like firstly you have to look from that side, therefore you have to give the priority to this group first. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and the 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, therefore your configuration should be S configuration. Okay, like that way. Okay, if you look this molecule from this side, you can found that from this side this hydrogen is the left hand side and COOH is the right hand side. Top, no change in this situation will be there. Top is the hydrogen, COH is at the bottom. Therefore you have to give the naming first, horizontal line, because you are looking this molecule from this side. Therefore 1, 2, 3 and the fourth one. Okay, you are looking 1, 2. Okay, therefore you have to move from like that. Okay, you move like that. Therefore your configuration is the anti-clockwise rotation. Configuration is the S type configuration. Okay, let us see the next example. Okay, next example is one and from the same hydrogen is there, COG is there, okay, this example we are looking. Okay, that is the top one. Okay, as previously this top, your hydrogen is the bottom. Okay, therefore you are looking from this side. Top is the COH, bottom hydrogen, right hand side hydrogen. Okay, you are looking from the left hand side COH. You have to give the priority first. From where you are looking, in this side you are looking, therefore priority given to this group 1 and the 2, 3 and the 4. Therefore 1, 2, 3, your configuration should be R when it looks from this side. Okay, if you look from that side, you can found that from this side hydrogen is left hand side, COH is your right hand side. You have to give the priority to this group first, 1 and 2. Then top COH is there, 3 and bottom hydrogen, that is the 4. 1 2 3. Okay, your movement is the like that R configuration, and it's exactly matches R configuration. When you look from any side, okay, from left hand side you look molecule or right hand side, every time your configuration should not be changed. Okay, then and then your configuration is correct one. You remember like that. Next example is okay, this example we will take this okay, any example same criteria we will use. Okay, that example we have taken. Okay, same criteria, that is your top group, that is bottom one. If you firstly looking from that side, you found the COH is at the top one and hydrogen is the bottom one, and COH is the left hand side. Okay, when you look from this side, and NO2 is the right hand side when you looks from. Okay, therefore you have to give the naming first. 2 3, sorry, nitrogen is the 3 and the 4th. Therefore 1 2 3 your configuration should be S type. Okay, if you look from this group from this side, you can found that. Okay, from this side you are looking, from this side you looking, your COH is the right hand side, NO2 is the left hand side, COH is no doubt top, and hydrogen is the bottom. Therefore you looking from that side, therefore you have to give the first priority to this group. Okay, that nitrogen 1 2 3 and the 4, therefore 1 2 3 your configuration yes is exactly matches, and therefore the configuration is the yes. Okay, I am taking the both side, how to give the nomenclature from, we are looking from the left hand side and the right hand side. Okay, by looking the from left hand side as well as you looks the molecule from right hand side, the configuration will not be changed. If it changes, it makes the incorrect naming is given, or incorrect way you represented that molecule. Okay, like that way you can also give the naming to this or naming to the same way. There is the same way. Okay, as like alkanes, as like pyrenes, in this case biphenyls also we can give the naming same way. I hope you will get all these points. Thank you very much.